Welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your wallet in OneInch account. First of all, find and open OneInch application on your device. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see Settings icon. Click on it. You can see My Wallets option as the first option here. Click on it and select the wallet you want to delete. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see Delete icon. Click on it. Then, confirm it once again. After that, you will see a recently deleted folder and you can see your wallet here. Your wallet will be permanently deleted after 24 hours. Within those time, you can recover your wallet if you do not want to delete it. So that is how you can delete your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.